Welcome to Wales! Croeso! Croeso, welcome to Wales, 10:30, St Mary's Church, Pulford. The masses are here. And the vegan doggies. Welcome to Wales! Croeso! Welcome to Wales! Congratulations! You're abroad soon in Wales! Welcome to Wales soon! 100 metres to Wales! You're abroad! Oh la la! Way! Time to shake hands en route as well. Keep going. Welcome to Wales. 100 metres to Wales. You've made it. Welcome to Wales, 100 metres to go only. Croeso to Wales, and the badgers have been advertising. Save the badgers, kill the cows, or well, whatever. We don't need to kill anybody if we stopped interfering with it all. Oh, this damn... Oh, they've got both. Oh, la la. Ça va, mon petit chien. On va faire des bonnes choses. Welcome to Wales, 100 metres to go. Strawberry. Can't remember where that is. Somewhere. Berkshire, maybe? Welcome to Wales. Well done, superstars. Welcome to Wales, 100 metres. You nearly made it. You're in Wales in 100 metres. Croeso, welcome. Well done, Wales, 100 metres away. Only 100 metres to Wales. Croeso. I wonder if that's how you pronounce it, I don't know. Well done. Chester Marathon runners, you brought us the sun. Yay! Pulford Chester is Mr. Bump. Oh, I like that. Ooh.
That's why they came over.
Ça va, ça va. C'est bien. Ouais. Welcome, Croeso. Welcome to Wales. Oh, welcome to Wales, 100 metres. Ooh, there's some excited people there. Yay! Whatever it is. Yay! Oh, the dogs have gone to sleep in all this. Yay! Way! Welcome to Wales! Croeso, welcome to Wales! Well, you've got to say something, haven't you? It seemed to be the most sensible thing to say. St Mary's Church service over, vegan dogs come. Oh, he's so nice. I like men in black. I like black dogs. Way! We've got some local talent, obviously. We got Pulford coaches out too. John Boy. Hooray! Croeso, welcome to Wales. You're on YouTube later. You're on YouTube later, madam. Keep going. Croeso, YouTube tonight. I've got the video. You're on YouTube video tonight. Welcome to Wales, Croeso. YouTube video tonight, Croeso. Welcome to Wales, 100 metres to go. Welcome to Wales, YouTube tonight. Look at that man go. Oh, look at that. Welcome to Wales, 100 metres to go and you're in Wales. YouTube tonight. You're on videos. Way, West Hull ladies, you're on YouTube tonight. And you, monsieur. Run happy, that's very good. He leans a happy chap. Welcome to Wales, 100 metres to go. Oh, vegan runners, you're on YouTube tonight. Thank you for coming to Pulford. Well, I mean, I'm a disgrace, I am, of course, yeah. I've seen some vegan runners. Wonderful. Of course, I'm a vegan filmer. Well, it's not quite the same. You're on YouTube tonight. I'm enjoying myself. Welcome to Wales, 100 metres to go. Wow, look at that beard, it helps you run. Aldridge. YouTube tonight, I've got you. Thank you, your entertainment. Oh my goodness, YouTube tonight, welcome to Wales. 100 metres in Wales. Badgers too. We've got the Badger Brigade. You're on YouTube tonight. YouTube tonight. What a superstar. Superstars. Oh my goodness. And they kept coming. They kept coming. YouTube tonight. Welcome to Wales. Welcome to Wales. Welcome to Wales. Superbissimo! Welcome, you're on YouTube tonight, monsieur. I'm enjoying myself. You stay there, you awful animal. That's for YouTube tonight. That encourages them. I just thought telling them they're on YouTube. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, because I'm doing the videos, you see. Oh, and you are too.
I don't do YouTube.
Oh.
It would have turned off by the time we get to that point.
Oh, wonderful. My battery's nearly flat, but it's still recording. The dogs have settled down anyway. Oh, there's a Jack Russell. I've got to, yes, yes. He's happy enough, but he thinks, why aren't all these people stopping to pet me? Oh, la la.
Well done, everyone. Well done. Well done.
You're on YouTube tonight. Welcome to Wales. Welcome to Wales. 100 yards to go. Yes. You're a good dog, aren't you?